Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject. Good one. Problem 2. 6. Plot. You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors. You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors. Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. It's great job. That's right, you're doing fantastic.